Have you ever splurged on a fancy date, only to realize you could have achieved the same magic with a simple picnic? That's the kind of financial savvy we're applying today as we dive into financial analysis for distressed commercial real estate. It's all about getting the most out of your investment without overspending. In the realm of distressed properties, financial analysis isn't just about balancing the books. It's about uncovering hidden financial opportunities and, more importantly, avoiding pitfalls that aren't apparent at the first glance. This process is like dating someone who's great on paper, but it requires a deeper look to understand what you're really getting into. Now, why should you focus on financial analysis? Because it's the backbone of any successful investment. Just as you wouldn't enter a relationship without knowing what it entails financially. Think shared expenses, future plans. You shouldn't invest in a property without a clear understanding of both the costs and potential returns. Now, what are the benefits for you? Mastering financial analysis allows you to predict cash flows, estimate repairs and renovation costs, and even calculate potential returns. It's about knowing whether your investment will be a fleeting romance or a long-term commitment with substantial rewards. Today, we're going to cover the key components of financial analysis for distressed properties, including initial acquisition cost, estimated repair budgets, ongoing operational costs, and projected profits. We will also discuss how to factor market trends and economic conditions, which, by the way, can influence the value of your investment. Imagine being able to look at a rundown property and accurately forecast its profitability after renovations. This ability can set you apart from other investors, enabling you to make informed decisions that others might shy away from due to uncertainty. Next up, we will explore turnaround strategies for distressed assets. If crunching the numbers has you hooked, wait until we discuss how to actively increase the value of these investments. It's like turning a good date into a great relationship. Have you ever underestimated the financial aspects of a property deal? Or maybe you nailed it and reaped the benefits? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insight can offer valuable lessons to our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on your journey through distressed properties. If you're wrestling with the numbers on a potential deal, reach out to ACMP. We're here to help you make sense of the financials and aim for profitable outcomes. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay